So my name is Layla Lorenzen, and I'm going to take you through first of all, the web quest I made. So starting it off with the introduction. Oh my gosh. We have a brief introduction. Welcome to my kindergartner page. We will be using money and focusing on money values. We use money every day, so it's important we understand it. Oh my goodness. And so the introduction is just kind of explaining that they'll find the attached assignment right down here. This website has a really hard time running on my computer for some reason. I've tried it in different browsers too, but it's just really slow. So for the process where the assignment and the kind of the resources are, it explains. For this assignment, you will answer the questions on the document that I will also attach here. And so this is just a chart to explain to them a penny is 1 cent, a nickel is 5 cents, a dime is 10 cents, a quarter is 25 cents. Another chart to show them what the coins look like when they're added up. This is for kindergartners, so it is, it kind of does the assignment for them, but it's just to be helpful so they're able to do it since it is supposed to be all online. And I'm trying to click this and it's just having a really hard time loading. Alright, so to the evaluation, it's a really simple rubric. Students will be graded on their participation completion if they worked with their classmates and if the information is correct, as well as if the assignment was completed on time. So if they answered the questions fully, if they worked with classmates, submitted the assignment, and had correct answers, it was on a 4-point scale with a total of 16. I tried to make, this isn't very important, but I tried to make the scale pretty positive so they don't feel discouraged if they get something wrong. And again, I'm trying to click on this and it's just taking its time. Okay. And now it brings us to the conclusion. So what we've gone over here is the different coins and how they look when they're added. This makes it so we can better understand money in real life. When we go to the store and pay with dollars and coins, we can think about this lesson. Know that a quarter is 25 cents, a dime is 10, a nickel is 5, and a penny is 1. So we can add and subtract those to get different money values. And then for the teacher's page, this is a page for kindergarten, and the different core standards going over are counting and cardinality, knowing the number names and count sequence, and then counting to tell the number of objects, comparing numbers, and then again down here, understand addition as putting together and adding to, and understanding subtraction as taking and taking from. And then just a note for teachers who would like to use this, if you're using it for older grade levels, it would probably be good to add in more about higher dollar amounts so you can have more complex addition and subtraction. So then at the Weebly website, we go to the home page. And so we start off with me. My name is Layla. I'm a 19-year-old from attending CWY, and this is the first website I've ever created. I'm planning on teaching kindergarten or first grade. Once I'm done with CWI, I will spend some time at Boise State and get my bachelor's in teaching credentials. And then for the word assignment, here's the original lesson plan we did earlier in the semester. Here is also the Excel assignment we did earlier in the semester. And the PowerPoint assignment. And then we have the WebQuest link. And then the other examples, this is a video we made a while back for this class. Then I will put this in.